Resurgence. Survive the countdown to earn redeployment. Secure kills to speed up the timer. Back on station. Go get after it. Precision airstrike available. Remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Target down. Marking the rest of them. Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your tag. Enemy destroyed. Use your tag map to hunt down the rest. Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your tag map. Get hunting. Enemy dropping into the AO. Target down. Marking the rest of them. Take cover! Enemy destroyed. Use your tac map to hunt down the rest. We've located the rest of them. Get ready. You're redeploying. You're losing ground. Moving. Enemy. Mark remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down. Stand by for redeployment. Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your tac map. Get hunting. Enemy. We've located the rest of them. Precision airstrike. Target down. Marking the rest of them. Strike inbound. Impact, no hits. Mark remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down.
Napalm strike ready for delivery.
Gas 49 over mission area. Napalm drop. Napalm delivered. Gas turn up.
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. Enemy destroyed. Use your tac map to hunt down the rest. We're returning you to the front. Earn this. Go get your revenge. Gas is inbound. Loadout drop headed your way. Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your tac map. Get hunting. Enemy. Target down. Marking the rest of it. Only 10 left. We've got 10 squads active in the field. Use your tac map to hunt down the rest of them. You're redeploying. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies. We've located the rest of them. Mark remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down. Target down, marking the rest of them. Insurgents, no more second chances.
Napalm strike standing by.
got gas moving in.
UAV available for napalm strike ready for delivery.
Mission timeline over. UAV exiting the area.
This is Gaston. I have fulfilled your orders. Gaston, 494 on unit.
You've made it to the top 5. 5 squads still operational in the AR. They hit the cars that time. Dust yourself off, regroup, and get back out there.